Now to start these lovebirds, we need to draw a heart, and I'm going to start on the right hand side because I find that the hardest one to do, and then I can try and copy it on that side so that we get a nice heart shape. Now we're going to turn this into a pair of lovebirds, and we'll follow that around into a nice little curl, and then that will be sort of curling around like that as well. And they're kind of, oh, they're all lovey-dovey. And then we want their beaks like that. And then we're going to draw a curve down there. That's their back, and that's the back. And then we want to draw the wings coming in like that. And it's not exactly feathers, but it gives a feeling for feathers like that. And then we'll have them sort of sitting on a branch like that. The line going through, and a couple of leaves on the end so that you know that it's a branch. And that is how you draw a pair of lovebirds for Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching and subscribing so you can come back and do lots more drawing videos. Bye.